Nicholas Alcala.
Hello everyone, my name is Sean Nicholas R. Alcala of Grade 1 Kindness. I would like to tell you about my preschool and grade 1 experiences. Ever since I began school, I have learned so much about myself and the things around me. Coming to a big school like Sacred Heart Academy has helped me discover and learn so much more. During preschool, our teachers will always make learning a fun experience by playing games and storytelling during class. We enjoyed so much going to school and it was just like playtime for us. But we also learned many valuable lessons in preschool that has helped in preparing us for the next grade level. I also met a lot of classmates and made good friends during preschool, and most of them are still my classmates and treasured friends until now. Together, they have made my preschool experience very enjoyable and memorable. One memorable event for me was during graduation from preschool and being the top two of my class. This has inspired me to achieve more. I will always be thankful to my preschool teachers and I will not forget all the valuable lessons I have learned. Now that I am already in grade 1, we don't get to play games during classes anymore, but we still have some time to play during recess. Our lessons are becoming more challenging and interesting, but going to school is still much fun, especially when you learn together with your classmates and friends. I am excited to discover so much more about many different things. I currently belong to the top 10 in my class and I continue to do my best to become better. I would like to thank my grade 1 teachers and advisors for being patient, kind, and continuing to inspire, challenge, and mold us into becoming the best we can. But most especially, I thank my parents for their love and support ever since my preschool days until now that I am already in grade school. And to my classmates and their dear friends, I hope to see you all in the next grade level.